Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the brand new Roku Smart TV 2025 40-inch Select Series. This incredible device is packed with innovative features that will take your entertainment experience to the next level. From seamless streaming to a vast world of TV options and a ton of free entertainment, this TV has it all. So, let's dive right in and see what makes this TV so special. First off, the seamless streaming experience on this TV is truly impressive. With fast Wi-Fi and apps that launch in a snap, you can quickly access your favorite shows, movies, and live TV. The intuitive interface makes it easy to explore popular apps, plus free movies, shows, and live TV, making it as easy as it is fun. Imagine being able to switch between your favorite streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Amazon Prime with just a few clicks. This feature is a total game changer, saving you time and hassle and getting you to your entertainment quickly. Another amazing feature of the Roku Smart TV is the vast world of TV options at your fingertips. You can dive into all kinds of entertainment, from movies and shows to live TV, sports, and news. With over 500 TV channels to choose from, you'll never run out of options. Plus, with the ability to easily find your favorites or soon-to-be favorites, you'll always have something new to watch. Whether you're a fan of action movies, rom-coms, or documentaries, this TV has got you covered. And with the ability to move apps around and customize your home screen, you can make the Roku experience your own, getting you to what you want to watch fast. Now, let's talk about the best part. A ton of entertainment at the best price, free. Your go-to streaming destination for free entertainment. Roku has an incredible selection of TV channels, with live and season shows, hit movies, weather, local news, and award-winning Roku originals. Yes, you heard that right, free. With so many options to choose from, you'll never have to worry about running out of things to watch. And with the ability to access live local news, sports, and family entertainment, you'll always be up to date on what's happening in your community. This feature is especially great for those who want to cut the cord and ditch traditional cable TV. But that's not all. The Roku Smart TV also keeps getting better with automatic software updates. This means you'll always have access to the newest apps, features, and more without having to lift a finger. No more worrying about your TV becoming outdated or obsolete. With the Roku Smart TV, you can rest assured that you'll always have the latest and greatest technology at your fingertips. And with the voice remote, you can easily control your TV, search for content, and even launch apps with just your voice. In conclusion, the Roku Smart TV 2025 40-inch Select Series is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to elevate their entertainment experience. With its seamless streaming, vast world of TV options, and a ton of free entertainment, this TV is the perfect choice for anyone looking to cut the cord and ditch traditional cable TV. And with its ability to keep getting better with automatic software updates, you can rest assured that you'll always have the latest and greatest technology at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible TV today. Trust me, you won't regret it. It's time to take your entertainment experience to the next level. And with the Roku Smart TV, you'll be doing just that. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.